Hey, I want to talk to you about this new foundation that I just got. I think this might be the one. Oh my goodness. It just covers. It just covers, and it doesn't feel heavy or dry. Now I will use a brush. Just let me show you what this looks like. It's creamy. It's not powder, it's more like a cream. And that is the medium or light to medium, but it's not dark once it's on your face. I love it. I think this is the one. Oh my goodness. It covered all my rosacea without all the extra cover-ups and all of that. Just straight out of the box, covered it up. And it feels light. It doesn't feel heavy whatsoever. And I've got good coverage. Oh, I'm liking this. I'm liking this definitely. And I don't feel so dry. So I purchased the light to medium, and it worked well. Look, it just covered right in there, like no line. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. I definitely think I'll be using more of this. And that's just my honest opinion.